What is up, guys? Today we are watching, or I guess we're reacting to EAS Alarms Part Day 2. Yeah, so a year ago I said I would make a Part 2, and I never did that. So, yeah, I'm doing that. Okay. Yep. Yep, of course, Cresta Hector's Productions for making the video because, yeah, they are the most Sigma, definitely, they have. Presents list of EAS alarms around the world, Part 2. Yep. Don't care. Whoopsie. Okay. Okay. No changing notes. I would like some more changing notes, if I was, if I was just chilling, then, it's kind of just like it's not really like the most scary. Like, I need some more alerting stuff, I need some alerting stuff. Need it to wake me up more. Alright. I mean, it's like the last one. I need some more changing notes, not just a single thing right here. it's just a basic alarm, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, this is even worse. Like, I need some changing stuff to alert me. I need to be alerted. Yeah. So you need to change it up. Need some more alerting stuff, because I'm not waking up to this. Okay, well, maybe I would, but whatever. Alright, chat, what we got? Okay. This one's more of a creepy one. Okay. Okay. So it's like the last two again. I need some changing notes. Yeah, I mean, it's literally just one thing. I need some changing stuff. Ooh, okay. I'm not the traffic. Okay, this is actually pretty good. I mean, it's creepy. It's changing. It's most stuff you want in the arm. Pretty good. Okay. It's loud. It's loud. But, I mean, kind of seems like a... kind of seems like a 20 alarm. I mean, it's good, but... Yeah, yeah, it's pretty good, if I would wake up to that. Okay, now this is literally the ambulance. If that was going off, I would think that the ambulance is driving by, and I would not do anything. Yep, I think they need to change the alarm, because, or maybe ambulance or something like that, whatever. Whatever, I think it's the ambulance, so, I think they need to change it, It's literally just the ambulance. Ooh, it's like the most basic thing ever, bro. Bro did not need to copy ambulance. Ooh. Okay, we got Romania. Okay. Like the other one, it's loud. I mean, yeah. It's loud. I would wake up. I would go outside. Yeah. Alright. Okay. Okay. I like the changing notes right here, Iraq. I like the changing notes. That's why we need an alarm. when you wake it up. Pretty good. Yellow warning. Sounds like a, I don't know. Ooh. I mean, it's, I don't know, it's kind of just mid. It's literally just one note now. It's literally the last one. Literally the last one. Oh. Never mind. Okay, no, it's literally the last one. But it dips down like, bro. I'm not distinguishing the two. I think they changed them to make it more, different, you know? Because it's literally the other ones. Oh. It's literally the other ones. It's literally the other ones, but it stops. Like, it's, okay, whatever, Chucky. Literally, oh? I was about to say literally Francis, but, okay. I mean, it's a basic siren, does its job, I'd wake up, you know, it's good, I guess. Does its job, you know, I'm waking up, I go outside, I run away. I mean, it's, can't really say much about it, I guess, Austria, Afghanistan. Now, this is also the ambulance, or police thing. Ooh. I mean, yeah, pretty creepy, but, I mean, yeah, it's mid. Whoa. Isn't this like a Roblox sound effect? What is this? I mean, yeah, it does its job. Okay. China invasion. They have a specific name for China invasion. I mean, yeah, I would wake up. And then, I guess this is a China invasion. If I would probably stay inside. Yeah, does its job, I guess. Oh. No changing notes. Oh. I mean, it's like the purge siren. I don't know. Pretty basic, I'd say. I need to change it up, you know. Your chat. Next, Ecuador. Oh, it's loud. Oh. Okay. I don't know. Mid. Down. Oh, I mean, this one, it does its job, yeah. If I was asleep, I would wake up, you know? Pakistan, I like it. Jordan. I mean, it's like the noon bell I hear every 12 o'clock that hurts my ears for like a minute straight every day. Well, I guess every time I go to the city. Especially. Oh, what? I mean, yeah, it's pretty creepy, actually. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, I like it. Kind of got video game vibes. Whoa. Loud. It's loud. I mean, it's pretty basic, I guess. Okay, I mean, does its job. Okay. Whoa. Wait, isn't this like an intro? Wait, that's actually giving like, I don't know. It's got some like music in it. This is like some background to some music, you know? I could literally listen to this and then think, you know, someone recording a music video outside. Yeah, I don't know how that makes any sense. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is it clashing? Stop! Why is it clashing? Stop! This is hurting my ears more than it... It's rage-baiting me. Bro. Get that out of my ears. I hate it. I hate it. I mean, I guess if I was asleep, I would wake up and I would... I don't know. I hate this. My least favorite alarm. Hurts my ears. I guess this one. Okay. I like this one more than the other two. Yeah, Switzerland just use this alarm all the time, honestly. I mean, yeah, it's basic, but it does the job better than the other ones. I guess it's pretty good. It's the basic default alarm, I guess. Pretty good. Whoa. Bro, is someone revving their engines outside? Hold on. Give me a second. Oh, what? What? Wait, what did they just say? They included words? What? I thought someone was revving their car outside my house. What? Okay. Okay, I mean, it's creepy, you know? I mean, it's good, but I have to admit, it's basic, like, you know, like the other ones. Oh, that's it? Really? Alright, I guess that's it for today's video. You guys should really like and subscribe, because I need money to buy a PC. Yeah, you've probably already heard that million